Is your Ford transmission acting weird with rough shifts or delayed response? You're not alone, and if you don't fix it now, it could get worse fast. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Ford transmission control module step by step, and make sure you stick around, because there's one method most people miss, and one mistake that can seriously damage your transmission. Let's get right into it. The first method is the basic pedal reset. This is the easiest method and works on many Ford models, and the best part is, you don't need any tools. Start by putting your vehicle in park. Then turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Once that's done, press the accelerator pedal all the way down to the floor and hold it there for about 15 to 20 seconds. While still holding the pedal down, turn the ignition off. After that, release the accelerator pedal completely. Now wait for at least 2 minutes. This step is important because it allows the system to fully reset. After waiting, start your vehicle normally and take it for a short drive. In many cases, this simple process is enough to reset the transmission control module and smooth out your shifting. But if you're still experiencing issues, don't worry. There's another method that works for a lot of Ford vehicles. This next method is the battery disconnect reset. It's slightly more involved, but still very easy to do. First, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Once it's disconnected, press and hold your horn for about 30 seconds. This helps drain any remaining electrical power stored in the system. Now leave the battery disconnected for at least 15 minutes. This gives the vehicle enough time to fully clear stored data from the module. After that, reconnect the battery terminal securely. Then start your vehicle and let it idle until it reaches normal operating temperature. Once it's warmed up, take your car for a drive and pay attention to how it shifts. If the first two methods didn't fix the issue, don't worry. This next method is the most effective and gives you the most complete reset. This is the OBD2 scanner method. It's the same approach many professionals use because it directly communicates with your vehicle's system. Start by connecting an OBD2 scanner to your Ford's diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard. Once it's plugged in, turn the ignition on. From the scanner menu, select your vehicle and navigate to the transmission control module. Then choose the option that says Reset TCM or Reset Transmission Control Module. Confirm the reset and allow the scanner to complete the process. Once it's done, disconnect the scanner and restart your vehicle. Now, no matter which method you used, there's one very important step you cannot skip, and that's the relearn process. After resetting the TCM, your transmission needs time to relearn your driving habits. Start by driving your vehicle until it reaches normal operating temperature. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Then perform several smooth accelerations from a complete stop, allowing the transmission to shift through all gears naturally. Avoid aggressive driving during this stage. Next, shift between park, drive, and reverse a few times while keeping your foot firmly on the brake. This helps the system recalibrate gear engagement. After that, drive at different speeds, including highway speeds, so the transmission can adapt across all gear ranges. For the next 24 to 48 hours, drive normally and avoid hard acceleration. This allows the system to fully adjust and optimize performance. Now here's the critical mistake you need to avoid. Never attempt to reset your TCM when your transmission is cold. If the vehicle hasn't reached normal operating temperature, you risk causing serious damage. Always warm up your car before performing any reset. This simple step can save you from expensive repairs. And finally, keep in mind, a TCM reset can fix many issues, but it won't solve mechanical problems. If your transmission is still acting up after trying all these methods, it's best to have it checked by a professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.